Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to dive into a delightful creation, the mixed fruits and lotus seed steamed sticky rice delight. So let's not waste a moment and let's get cooking. First things first, we're going to prep our sticky rice. Let it soak in cold water overnight until those grains are soft enough to be easily crushed with your hand. Next up, we've got a fantastic trio: Chinese dates, dried blueberries, and lotus seeds. Get that water boiling and introduce some brown sugar into the mix. Let your rice soak up that sweetness for around 10 minutes. Once your rice is cooked, give it a little break on the side. Now, let's play with some layers of flavor. Grab a bowl and give it a little oil brush. It's time to create a fruity masterpiece. Arrange those lotus seeds, Chinese dates, and dried blueberries at the bowl's bottom. Now crown it all with that perfectly cooked rice. It's steamy time. Let everything mingle and dance in that steamer for about an hour. And now for the grand review. When it's time to serve, flip that bowl onto a plate and unveil the incredible mixed fruits and lotus seed steamed sticky rice delight. Give this recipe a whirl and don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out with me, and as always, catch you in the next video.